Hi guys, it's Sage Bono, welcome back. Got the Toyota 86 behind me here. Finally going to start pulling it apart. I'll do a bit of a walk around, but it's just a brief overview. It's 2014 Toyota GT86. It's a GTS. So it's got all the Alcantara seats and that, and the updated head unit and stuff. So I bought it from a Toyota Wrecker as a full driving running car. Supposedly it was in the floods up in Sydney a couple months back, but the guy I bought it off actually replaced the engine because it was flooded. Same transmission, gone right through the car before I bought it, and there's not even one single water stain on it, so I suspect that someone's put a hose in the engine and done an insurance job on it. So their loss, my gain. So I'll be pulling it apart, selling pretty much everything, including bonnet, front bar, front guards, rear bar, pretty much everything in the interior except for the dash. So I'll be posting ads up on my Facebook and Instagram page, so if you guys want to purchase those off me, I'll have a price list, and yeah, you just take it from there. And the idea is to get this stripped down into a cage, or get a cage done to it as soon as possible. Today's the 5th of December, and I need to take it down to Track Art Fabrications over in Bayside by the 20th. So usually everything closes down here in Melbourne around then, so they're going to take it, look at it, maybe start cutting up some tubes, some plates, but otherwise I'll get stuck into it after the Christmas New Year break, and then hopefully I can get it back first or maybe second week of Jan, and then start mocking up engine, gearbox, diff. So I'll be pulling the diff out of my current car. Got a subframe from HGK coming along, hint hint. So get everything in. Going to do a rear mount radiator set up in it as well, so need to buy a radiator, do all the mounts, buy an electric pump, set all that up. Once all the fab's done, take it all out, put the running gear back in my current car, continue driving that, send it out for paint, get it all painted, and then final assembly. So I've already started ordering bits and pieces from it. So things that are left are the coilovers, radiator, electric pump. I'm going to run a Motec PDM, as well as the control switch and the C125 or a 127, which still need to get. But otherwise I'll take you for a walk around the car, show you how clean it is. They said it's a write-off, but honestly you could put plates on it and drive it tomorrow. You wouldn't even know it's been water damage. So I'll take you around. Quick walk around, just show you the engine bay. I've just put it up on the hoist here. Being a bit dusty, I gave the exterior wash when I first got it, but as I said, like, it is so clean. You can just put plates on it and drive it. It's crazy. Like, I just don't understand. But yeah, so with the GTS model you get these LED day running lights, and those, I don't know what you call them, I guess angel eyes headlights, which I'm going to keep and hopefully somehow wire up and continue to work. Standard wheels on it, which will be up for sale. There's a bit of gutter ash on it, but overall the paint even on it is really good. There's a couple of nicks here and there. Quite dark window tint, but I don't know how good the lighting is in here, but like the interior is immaculate. Like the seats don't even have one single scratch on them. So everything in here pretty much will be for sale, including the center console. As I said, just the dash is not gonna be up for sale, and so is that. That's not for sale. I'm gonna keep that for my car. Door cards are clean, really clean. So rear there, stock exhaust on it, which will be going up for sale. Boot as well. I know people like this wing, so I'll sell the boot as a complete unit. I'm not going to pull the wing off, but I'll definitely sell that. Boot carpet, it's all there. This one didn't come with a spare. This is a hard mat with the insert. Again, lighting's probably shit house. Sorry for the language. There's an air inflation kit in there, all the jacking kit, the tools for it, the jack, the tow hook. I'm going to have my own tow hook. Don't know how well you can see that. Let's see if I can put that back here, just like that. So all this is going to come out. Nothing's going to stay. We'll see what's on this side. That's my old V8 if someone wants to buy it. Yeah, can't quite see, but you get the idea. Leave that open because that's the first part I'm going to start pulling apart. There's a couple of scratches on this door, but I'm actually going to keep these doors. I'm going to gut them and make the cage come out towards these doors. So cut the inside of the door out, cut the window out. I'm going to run perspex in it, but you'll see all that coming. So it's not the worst scratch, but again, I'm just going to paint it all anyway. So let's front down, come around back to this side. But yeah, it's just real clean. Steering wheel does have a bit of damage to the leather there, but otherwise it's pretty clean. Door seals, I'll be keeping these, but all this trim inside will go. Seats are going to go. Roof lining, rear mirror, everything's going to go. So that's the car there. I'm going to start at the back end here, pull all the boot stuff out, all the trim interior, probably take the tail lights off, leave the bar on for now, and then probably main goal is just to get the interior done. I'm not too worried if, you know, the boot stays on or the bars. I just want to get the interior stripped. I'm going to call someone out to pull the glass out, so then the guys that are welding it up aren't going to have anything in their way. So start pulling it apart.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me.
Let's show you the interior. So it's quick and easy. See how clean it is in here. Just undid the boot wiring, so that'll all come as one piece. Whoever wants it, put in the rack. Actually, I'll probably take the tail lights out, get them out of the way, don't damage them.
Every time I divide all the fractions of my mind, take away all the pain, give myself another day. Give myself another day. Every day I decide if we'll ever see the sign. I ignored all the lines showing me eternal light.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see